Hey guys, we have here the JBL VIBE Buds, and in this video we want to explain to you how to pair these earbuds to a Windows computer. So this works for Windows laptops as well as for desktops, so it's exactly the same behavior. And in case you want to pair your earbuds to a Mac computer, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner where we're showing that in detail. But now let's get started. So the very first thing we have to do is to remove both earbuds out of the charging case. So as long as your earbuds are still brand new, they're going to automatically go into the Bluetooth pairing mode, which is indicated by these rapidly blinking blue LEDs here on the side of the earbuds. Now, in case this does not happen for you, because you, for example, have paired your earbuds before with your smartphone, then we have to manually enable the Bluetooth pairing mode. This is really simple. We just have to double tap on the side of one of the earbuds, and on the second tap we have to keep holding the earbud with our thumb here, for example. So double tap, and on the second tap keep holding for at least 5 seconds, just like this here. And after these 5 seconds, the earbuds should switch to the Bluetooth pairing mode, just like you see here. And now we're ready to put our earbuds to the side for now and switch over to our computer. And here we're first going into the lower left corner where we have the search bar, and here we're typing in Bluetooth. So in the very first search result will be here the Bluetooth and other device settings, just like you see here. So we're going to select this, and in the following screen we're going to have here the Bluetooth option. And here it is important to first check that Bluetooth is enabled. So right now we see Bluetooth is turned off, so we're going to switch this lever to on. And then the next thing is we're going to press on the plus symbol here right above there where it says add Bluetooth and other devices. And this brings us to another pop-up where we here can press the first option, which is Bluetooth. And now the computer is going to look for all kinds of Bluetooth devices that are in our vicinity, and eventually we are going to find the JBL VIBE Buds. And as soon as we're going to click on this, we're going to pair our earbuds to our computer. You can see this was now already successful. It only takes a second. And then we're going to leave this screen by pressing done. And then here we can now see that the pairing was really successful, and we can use the earbuds for voice, so for example for Zoom calls, but we can also listen to music. And on the far right we're going to see here the current battery status of our earbuds. So we can see now that the batteries of the earbuds are still to 90% charged. Now, in case you were not able to find the JBL VIBE Buds when we were pressing the Add Bluetooth Device button, then I suggest you first try to restart your computer and start the pairing process over and try it again. So sometimes this already fixes that problem. But in case the problem still exists, then I would suggest to check for Windows updates. So sometimes there were updates for your Bluetooth device driver, and that may fix any existing problems with your computer. Now, in case you would like to use your earbuds with your Windows computer as well as with your smartphone, then we have to manually switch between the two devices. And we do this by first disconnecting from the device that we're currently connected to. So in this case, this is here our Windows computer. So we're going to select here the audio device, the JBL VIBE Buds, and that will give us the option here to disconnect. And afterwards, we can then connect the earbuds to our smartphone. Now, once we're done using our earbuds and we just want to turn them off, then all we have to do is place them back into the charging case. So for one, it's going to turn off the earbuds, but it's also going to recharge the batteries inside of the earbuds so they're fully charged for the next time we want to use them. And now, as soon as we want to use the earbuds again, all we have to do is take them out of the charging case, and they're going to automatically reconnect to our computer. So the next time we want to use them with the computer, that's all we have to do. We just take them out and they're going to instantly reconnect to our device here. Okay, so this was already it for the video. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.